Hey guys, you asked for it, we got it. The Detroit Diesel DD15 in-frame overhaul kit. It is here at Highway and Heavy Parts. It is in stock and it is ready for you. This kit is going to have all the latest design updates that you're looking for on your DD15 to do an overhaul. You're going to have the one-piece forged steel high-performance monotherm piston. I'm telling you what, this thing is heavy duty. You're going to get the latest design cylinder liner with the anti-polish ring. That's going to keep your piston from building up carbon around the rings. It's the carbon scraper ring. It's going to have everything you need to overhaul your engine, including the upper gasket set. So everything you need to take the head off and put the head back on, including all new head bolts. You're also going to get a lower end bearing kit. You're going to get rod bearings, you're going to get main bearings and thrust bearings, and some of those small incidentals that you don't think about all the time, you're going to get a set of piston cooling nozzles. You're even going to get the water transfer tubes. So this is a very complete kit, and it's ready for you today at Highway and Heavy Parts.
For more information, contact one of our ASC certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.